What's up, guys? It's Matchbox Madness, and it is finally time for another Matchbox case unboxing. We continue 2018 by looking at the 2018 J case. You can see the J right there in the lower left-hand corner. So there's a real quick look at the code for you. Anyways, the 2018 J case is absolutely loaded from the photos I've seen posted. The distribution on this one has been wonky. Most I don't know what exactly, hobby dealers haven't gotten them. There's one that got them. They sent them all out. After that, they weren't available, and finally, about a month later, that was in July 2018, people were getting them. Finally, here in the middle of August, they're available to everyone who wasn't signed up for that one subscription service. They haven't appeared in stores yet. I've seen like maybe one or two people find them on Instagram. Anyways, the J case has been really hard to find so far, which is unfortunate because it's a fantastic distribution, as I think you all will see. Anyways, let's open this up and pull 3 by 3. I believe this is the first case that will feature all cars with the new card art. We saw it in the H case, but some of the cars still had were carryovers from G that had the old card art. All right, we begin. Porsche Cayman. That's carryover. Looks absolutely fantastic in white and gold. My favorite version of the car that they've released. We've seen it in yellow and red. Now we get it in white. Looks really good there. Chowmobile. Not really interested. It's kind of in that blister weird, though, as you can see. That's weird. And then I believe... No, never mind. This is the International Armored Cab. Licensed car, but it is a plastic body. Very unfortunate to see that. Same for the Chowmobile. Probably won't hold on to either of those two. Not a big fan of them. Next 3. Oh boy, all the cars are just trying to fall out. Alright. Matchbox Flatbed King. That was a new model in the H case. Looked fantastic. Glad to see a second version of it here. You can display your cars on the back. It looks absolutely awesome. Highly recommend getting that one. Good to see this one returning to the lineup. This is new to this case. This is the Ford Police Interceptor. I believe that is an unlicensed deco. Looks good in black and orange. I like those disc wheels a lot on that car. Just a nice looking police car from Matchbox. Happy to see that one. And the Trail Tracker, which I could care less for. Alright, next 3. The BMW M5. That was also in the H case. We got 2 in there. And now we get 1 in here. Fantastic to see. Absolutely love this deco for it. Looks incredible. Here's a new model. A very cool one, actually. This is the Trailer Trawler. Now, this is not an actual casting. It's a trailer. A lot of Matchbox cars have tow hooks, so you can hook this thing up to one of those tow hooks and have your Matchbox car towed around. Super cool to see that. Looks really, really good. Happy to see that one returning to the lineup. So that's a new model for this case. And then, Load Lifter. Alright. Blizzard Buster, carryover, don't like it, don't care for it. And we're going to move right on by it because a very important casting to me has just appeared. This is the BMW i8 new for 2018. This is my most anticipated model from Matchbox. It's a car I absolutely love, from a manufacturer I absolutely love. Oh my god, does it not just look gorgeous? I cannot, the review of this car is going to be up immediately after, so like Tuesday. This goes up Saturday, this will go up Tuesday. I cannot wait to open this thing, photograph it. I mean, we get 2 examples. I'm freaking out. Love this car. Happy to finally see it. So can't wait to unbox that one. So yeah, part of the reason I was really looking forward to this case. Another great car in this case, the Chevy Camaro convertible. This was new in 2017. It's new to this case. We now get it in 2018 in blue. Looks absolutely gorgeous in blue. Fantastic. Another great addition to this case. Like I said, this case is loaded. A lot of good stuff. Yeah, Swamp Commander, who really cares? A version of the Tesla Model S. This appeared in the H case. Get it again in the G case or J case. Happy to see that. Like that version in gray. Looks really good. Just a nice casting from Matchbox. Really well done. Let's see what's next. Matchbox 4x4. 2 examples of it. Don't really care for it. I'm not a big fan of unlicensed stuff. I'm not a big off-road guy in general. Okay. Oh boy, this is actually kind of a nice 3. We have, I'm just going to show them one at a time. Tree Lugger. That was a new model last year in 2017. It's one of my I like this generic well enough. Don't know if I'll hold on to this version of it. It looks nice. I believe that is a licensed livery on the side. Maybe not. Forget what I said. I don't think it's licensed. Scratch that. The Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser, a collector favorite. It's been modified slightly. It's got those dogs in the back. Looks super, super cool. It does have that ugly looking pillar in the back there. They've had to do that for some pricing reasons to keep the $1 price point. But we do get those very cool dogs in the back. It looks great in pink. Happy to see that one. And then the beloved, one of my personal favorites, the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. We have seen this thing everywhere. Looks amazing in silver. Unfortunately, only one in this case. Have a feeling that might be a price point deal because it's got 6 wheels. That costs a lot extra to do that on cars. So maybe a reason we're only seeing one. Last 3. Dirt Destroyer and Matchbox SWAT. Those are carryovers from the last case. And this one is not, however. This is the 59 Chevy Wagon. It was new in 2018 in red. Now we get in blue. This blue version looks absolutely stunning. Anyways, it's just a really nice case. If you take a look, Oldsmobile 6x6 Wagon. Then you get a couple Chevy Camaros, a Tesla Model S, 2 BMW i8s. So let's see, that's 8 licensed castings, 10 licensed or this isn't licensed, forget that. That's just a really cool model in general, the trailer. BMW M5, so that's 10 cars out of this case I would buy. And you got the Ford Interceptor, the Matchbox Flatbed King, and the Porsche Cayman. 11 licensed castings, 12 cars I would buy. 12 for 24 isn't bad. Hopefully we see it get better going into 2019, but Matchbox is back, baby. You can see it in this case. You got a BMW i8, a Chevy Camaro, a Tesla Model S, a BMW M5, a Flatbed King, a Porsche Cayman, a Ford Interceptor, a Mercedes-Benz AMG 6x6, 2 wagons. That's incredible diversity. Just awesome cars from Matchbox. So that's all for now, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.